Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making savory chips, so keep watching and don't forget to like and share. Thank you, and let's get started. First I will measure in 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt. I will mix well to combine and set it aside. Next, I will grate my onion, garlic and set aside. I'm going to add my butter and rub it in until I achieve a crumbly texture.
This food is yummy.
Next, I will add my grated onions and garlic. I will mix well to combine and add water gradually until I achieve the right texture. Once that is done, I'm going to allow it to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. While the dough is resting, I will heat up my frying oil. 15 minutes later, I will sprinkle my work surface with flour, cut the dough in half, roll it out and cut it into my desired size. Once that is done, I will start frying. In my preheated oil, I will add onions for more flavor. Next, I will add 1 chinchin in the oil to make sure that the oil is hot enough. Next, I will add the chinchin and allow it to fry until golden brown.
Delicious.
Once that is done, I will scoop it out of the oil and continue the process until I am done. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.